Hello.
Audible?
Yeah, I can hear. You can hear me?
Yeah. I can hear you.
Okay. काय पाहिजे तुला त्याच्यात आहे बघ.
इथे बसा बाहेर येऊन काय फोन आला की सांग मला. फोन आला की सांगतो. बाहेर बसून.
Actually, I am on mobile. लैपटॉप वहां पर खुला है, but I don't know. He's trying. त्याला मी दाखवते तुला. तू बघ त्याच्याकडे. Otherwise, I'll talk on mobile only.
Yeah. You are very clear. Audible.
Only thing is, if he gets on laptop, he will do. He's trying that. Your techno savvy person is next to you, no? Master is doing everything for you.
It will take 2 minutes. Because,
no problem. Others have to join. No problems.
Yeah, if we tell 3 o'clock, it should be 3:05 or 3:10 to join. By that time, we can have primary discussion.
वही.
4 o'clock to 4:10 तक, 4:05, 4:10 तक we can have primary conversation and then we will start official meeting.
Anyway, वो आप ही I think 4:40 को तो कट हो ही जाएगा. 40 minutes ही रहता है ना maximum.
40 minutes रहता है, वो कट हो गया, तब तक हो जाएगा अपना. I have taken some post from WhatsApp and I have kept here.
Okay, you have kept it with you. I'll have to go back to that and check.
कोई बात नहीं, एक लेटर भी जो है वो भी
आपको उनको दिख रहा है.
आगे
दिखता है तो चल बोलना.
Dr. Vinayak Chavan has joined us. So he has not started his video, but he has joined. Dr. Vinayak Chavan.
Yeah, he has joined, and Subhash Sankhe also has not started his.
Yeah, I think Subhash Sankhe just now I could see him also. Dr. Subhash
Sankhe. उसका वीडियो ऑन हुआ है.
मैं तो
थोड़ा 4 o'clock
फॉरवर्ड हो जाएगा पापा.
आवाज बंद करना.
Hi Subhash.
Hello.
Hi Subhash, I said. Subhash can hear.
Subhash ne
is on mute. Wait.
His video is seen.
But he may not talk, but he should at least hear, no?
Yeah.
To unmute.
नहीं तो live है.
He should unmute. If you want to speak, he has to unmute himself.
No, but if he at least he can wave his hand to me. I'm wondering about that. You can hear me, Subhash?
Now they can unmute on themselves. I changed the setting.
Subhash.
Subhash's picture is there. I think he has put his picture and he's gone somewhere.
No. He's live now. He's smiling.
I can.
Then why you're so quiet? Deadly silence. Subhash, unmute करना. तुझं ऑडिओ सिग्नल ऑन करते कट आहे बघ.
कितना बाकी है?
थोड़ा सी बाकी है, तुरंत हो जाएगा.
सब डबल रहेगा मत कर.
5
तुला पण करता है तुझा ऑडिओ ऑन ऑफ है. अच्छा, host has to allow. Okay.
What do you want to allow?
You have to unmute them.
We have unmuted him, but it is on his hand.
नहीं, सूर्यकांत भी म्यूट पे है, सुभाष संखे भी म्यूट पे है.
वो म्यूट पे है, but they can unmute themselves.
If he unmutes himself, if he unmutes.
You try unmuting yourself. ते मोबाईल वर कर.
तुमच्या याच्यावरती अनम्यूट करा बघा, होऊन जाईल.
सुभाष बघ ना तुझ्या याच्यावर होईल का अनम्यूट.
Not allowing participant to unmute themselves.
अच्छा, उनको मैसेज आ रहा है, होस्ट इज नॉट परमिटिंग पार्टिसिपेंट टू.
यहाँ से तो किया है. अच्छा देखो, अभी वापस करते हैं. अलाउ टू अनम्यूट
किया ना. अलाउ पार्टिसिपेंट
सबको अलाउ किया ना, सबको अनम्यूट किया ना. आता बघा.
अभी देखो सर, वापस देखो, वंस मोर अनम्यूट करो ना.
नहीं तो बेस्ट है, नो वन टॉक्स, ओनली वी बोथ विल टॉक एंड क्लोज.
अरे सर, एक मिनट, उसको वापस क्लिक कर.
किसको?
अनम्यूट.
सुभाष तुला काय, यू कैन नॉट अनम्यूट.
No.
अभी सुभाष का चालू हुआ लगता है.
अभी हो रहा है, आवाज आ रहा है मेरा?
हाँ सुभाष का चालू हो गया। हाँ,
अरे,
अभी सब
सबको अनम्यूट
हाँ, अभी
रखा
हो
है।
गया।
किसने आस्था ने किया?
The
हाँ,
host
हाँ।
is not allowed to participate.
हमारी होस्ट तो आस्था है अभी।
She has done that, बराबर है।
हेलो।
अभी हो रहा है, आवाज आ रहा है?
हाँ,
हाँ
आवाज
अभी आ
है
रहा
सर।
है, अभी आ रहा
ओके,
है।
ठीक है। ओके।
सर मैडम आप अलग जगह
I
पे
think
हो,
host से सर।
सूर्यकांत सर आगे जगह अलग जगह पे है क्या?
नहीं नहीं वी आर इन द सेम रूम बट
रत्नाकर,
ही इज ऑन लैपटॉप एंड आई एम ऑन
actually you have to make the sound silence if two are there together.
हाँ ही है साइलेंट
एक का साउंड बंद करो,
म्यूट कर दो।
एक को
हाँ वो
म्यूट
एक
करो,
हम एक बंद रखा है हमने।
आवाज घूम रहा है। हाँ, ये
नहीं ही इज साइलेंट, मेरा खाली चालू है।
अच्छा, ओके।
वो एक चालू रखा है मैंने।
And then yeah, no, they create. When two paper है ना,
हाँ मैं अभी आपको चालू एक चालू ही रखती हूँ ऐसा बैकग्राउंड में।
Okay, how many have joined? Let's see.
आपका सब कुछ चालू है।
10 are there.
देखो
5 घंटे मीटिंग है।
शंकर आया है, शंकर ने म्यूट रखा है, सुचेता पाटिल ने भी ऑफ रखा है।
वीडियो देखन
हाँ माने आले, डॉक्टर ओहड़ आले।
तो ये इधर है और फोटोज आपके सब इधर है।
एक स्क्रीन शेयर अभी
हार्दिक का मुझे कौन
एक मिनट जरा बता देना।
अपना कौन है तो नहीं और पता लगा।
टाइम पे
है ना? हाँ, ये बस।
सुचेता, शंकर भी वीडियो ऑफ है।
request them keep video on and
डॉक्टर विनायक चौहान, हाँ थैंक यू फॉर स्क्रीन शेयरिंग।
Yeah, I have kept the screen sharing, which has guided us to do this Zoom meeting. That is the.
And we shall request all participants to have their video on if possible.
Yeah. If everybody
Yes.
keeps their video on, that is fine. And this is the letter. By the time people join, should I read this letter?
Namaskar, Dr. Chauhan, Dr. Kaur.
Should I read this letter? What is written in that, madam?
Should we start?
Hello, volume है मेरा?
Ah, yes. Do we start?
Yeah.
Only 10 people are there, no?
And Mani is there.
Total 9. कहाँ पे लिखा है?
यहाँ पे
किधर है बता?
यहाँ पे
हाँ 9 है, लिखा है ऊपर
9 है।
पार्टिसिपेंट 9।
अच्छा
9 लिखा है ना?
हाँ ठीक। पीपल आर नॉट टेक्नो सेवी ना, अपन गांव में रहते हैं ना, इसके लिए।
नहीं वो शहर
अरे
में
अब अभी तो सबको मालूम हो गया यार, जूम पे तो अभी कितना दिन से कर रहे लोग।
कुछ तो एक्सक्यूज देना पड़ेगा ना अपने को भी।
Let us wait for 5-10 minutes and then we start.
Yeah, we'll take 5-10
We'll wait
minutes.
for 5 minutes.
Till
Yeah,
that time,
we will
I
wait
will,
for 5
madam, I will read this letter till that time, and then once more, if you want, we will read the letter. So this is the letter.
Actually, we have only 40 minutes. We better tell everyone.
Yeah. That we have to finish in
Achha.
40 minutes. I will first read this letter, and then we will start meeting. This is letter from New Delhi headquarter, IMA headquarter.
Okay.
And it is to all the local branches president and secretary. It is not only to Delhi, but even all over India. Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes.
Yes.
Dear doctors, the struggle against mixopathy and quackery is entering a crucial phase. IMA has launched Dharma Kshetra Kurukshetra, the freedom struggle of modern medicine. The following action have been communicated earlier. Tuesday, 8/12, demonstration in public place in small group of 20 following COVID protocol for 2 hours between afternoon to 12 o'clock to 2 p.m. And Friday, that is 11/12, 2020, withdrawal of non-essential and non-COVID service between 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Friday. Means that is next Friday. The following action in this regard are expected in all the local branches, even our branch. conduction of emergency general body meeting and sensitization of all our members regarding the struggle, which we are doing today on this Zoom meeting, and maybe we may take some more meeting also. Social media campaigning in the local group, that may be medical, non-medical, or other groups. Then coordination of local chapter of Government Doctors Association and communication with all the doctor in the government sector, and also in medical colleges and all that, which we did from our side. Coordination and felicitation of participation of local hospital. ये मेरे को समझाने जरा आप लोग समझाना मेरे को. And executive committee of local branch to oversee the implementation of the scheduled action program on the ground on 8 and 11 December 20. Means we'll have to form an executive committee also. The respective state branch have been directed to coordinate and oversee all the local branches in their jurisdiction. Means somebody will monitor us, but we have to form an executive committee which will see all the things. So we can form 2-3 people and we'll take and we'll try to form this. So this is the letter which is given by the Honorary Secretary General, IMA, Dr. Ashokan. And copy is given to the president also. Means they have communicated from there all over India, where we are almost more than 2 lakh plus doctors, and I think I don't know how many branches are there. More than 2,000 branch maybe there, like us, which are some small and some big. So this is the letter they have given, and on this basis of letter, and the question of this. On behalf of this letter, we met together. We had a Zoom meeting with IMA Maharashtra State last Friday, and under the guidance of our president, Dr. Shobha Sankhe, we are conducting this meeting today. So I would request our present team leaders, Dr. Past President, President, and Secretary, to take over, and then we will start with the meeting. Now I think it is 4:11. It is right time. The participation by maximum member is expected, but whosoever are there, that is okay. And the message should be circulated to all the people what we are doing. And let us get cooperation and coordination with other people also. So over to you, Madam President. President sir, Madam, unmute karo. Madam, you unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to this pandemic digital platform meet. Whole year we couldn't meet. This is the first time we are meeting. And as I said, we have got headquarters, IMA state headquarters, giving us some instructions about this mixopathy. As you are all aware, we had sent it in the IMA official group. So CCIM is Central Coordination Committee for Indian Medicine, wherein they are planning to merge all the allopathy branches with Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathy, and other branches. And once this is done, there will be a common integrated medicine, which will have, you can call it hybrid doctors or khichdification of doctors or whatever you call it. There will be no one particular branch. It will be a mix of many branches, which I deem will be a half-baked doctors. Everyone cannot be what they want to. Ayurveda people doing surgery, I don't know who is going to teach them. If it falls on allopathy people to impart the techniques, then it is again modern medicine. That means they are infringing on the modern medicine, which we don't want one pathy to infringe on the other. That is the reason why IMA is up in arms against this. And in general, if by 2030, as per their plan, if everything goes, we'll have all hybrid doctors, health service of the nation will suffer. And second important thing is our next generation of doctors who are deemed in Indian doctors are very good and international forum. We will have problems because then our medical evaluation will not be on par with Western world. So in that way also we'll be at a loss. Our health services will be affected. Economically also it may not be viable, though it seems so now. So with all this in mind, we have to be up in arms and try to tell the ministry that this is wrong. So for this, he has read out the letter just now. And as per that, two things have to be done. One is on 8th and one is on 11th. 8th is I don't know how much it will be effective, because between 12 to 2, doctors in group of 15 to 20 should meet. But I don't know whether on the street, how much response we get and how many people will understand this. But before that, as Dr. Avinash Bondwe had said, we have done the things. In the sense, 4 things are there. One is social media. So I had sent a link wherein you can click on the Facebook this, and our profile picture is changed. Keep that as WhatsApp DP. That is one of the things. Say no to mixopathy. We had put up some posters. If possible, you can just take a printout and put it outside your clinic or wherever shops or wherever you want. That is the way we can reach the media. The third thing is press note had to be given. I have written in Marathi, means myself, Dr. Chauhan, we all have written in Hindi, Marathi and English, and we have given it. But since headquarters like Mumbai is going to publish in Mumbai editions of all the major newspaper, we are in charge of giving a press note in the local newspaper. So I have approached Hindi and Marathi people. I have given the write-up yesterday, but since they are weekly very often, you may get it by next weekend. So that is how we are going to sensitize the people around us. And on 11th, this has to be very strict. I know most of the people don't like the idea of keeping the things closed, to keeping the clinics closed, to keep the nursing home closed. But since as a body, we belong to a parent organization, whether we like it or not, certain things are a part and parcel, because we are sheer members of the
Yes.
parent organization. Like जैसे हम लोग माता पिता को हम लोग सुनते हैं, तो one day they have decided on 11th November, 11th this, we have to keep it closed from morning 6 to evening 6. So that will permit you to have your evening OPD if you want. But please, in the morning, my sincere request to all our doctors, IMA doctors, and of course, we are requesting even the non-IMA allopathic members to pass on the word not to have any elective planned clinics, labs, radiology centers open. They have given a list which I'll put up. As everyone knows, we can have trauma surgery, obstetrics, casualty, emergency, any medical emergency, or critical care units, intensive care units, pediatric care units, NICU. They will be functioning. That is not a problem. But non-COVID cases, which are not an emergency, should not be done. So I think at least that, my sincere, humble request to everybody closed, and we are supposed to monitor them. I don't know. We have not yet planned who will be going and checking. It doesn't give a good image if we pick up. And at this stage of life, like school children, we cannot penalize them also. It should come from within. So I'm again requesting you, please keep.
जास्त झालं तर
Anyone is
तुम्ही
talking?
orange घ्या आणि कमी असलं
Mute
तर
Please
करा
mute.
sir.
I can't talk otherwise.
अर्धी घ्या बरे आहेत ना
Someone is talking.
चला
I think Dr. Chavan.
So
Vinayak
my
Chavan.
sincere request to everyone is we will keep that 11th December closed from morning 6 to 6. And
Okay.
if we are keeping it closed, please put the pictures on the WhatsApp so that we can send it to the center. So these are the 4 things which we have planned. And if anyone has anything else, can ask. And we have a state coordinator with us who is coordinating between the state and the local branches. And of course, as he said, we are supposed to sensitize medical group of students here, but we don't have any medical college. Still, Dr. Tiwari and Dr. Rajendra Chavan have approached Vedant Medical College, and they had an interaction there with the medical students. He will give the feedback about it. And more than that, even as per that government notification, a single Ayurvedic doctor can do even right from tonsil extraction, uterus removal, appendix removal to tooth extraction. So you understand, tooth extraction, that means they are infringing even on dentist. So today I have made it a point. I have circulated all this in the dentist group as well, and I have called them for the meeting. And Atul from Boisar, I had given him in charge to put it in the group. I guess he's there. I'm not very sure. He had joined just now. Yeah, I'd seen him. So we have told the dentists also to be a part of our fight against IMA for this particular gazette notification which has come, and we should try our best not to have a mixopathy. Please, no, I mean, say we don't have any grudge against any pathy. All pathis can function as long as they live in their ambit only. Each one is supposed to work in their this, no infringement. And if it is infringement, they are responsible also. That is equally for themselves. No one else can help them. Thank you. I'll request state coordinator if he has to give some any inputs. Dr. Chauhan, he also.
So very nice message President Madam has given, and really appreciable. And now actually I am very proud that I feel very proud to have a together meeting. This is the first ever Zoom meeting in our area. And really it is very nice to see all the members in front of me on this desktop. And today's meeting is very essential, very crucial for our future life, means our allopathy's future life. Because now, if this is a turning point, if you don't take action now, like one of the member has told, तुम लोग क्या करोगे, IMA वाले क्या करेंगे, पहले भी तो ऐसा किया और बाद में हो गया. तो पहले ऐसा हो गया और वो लोग ने कुछ इन्फ्रिंज कर लिया, तो अभी हमको नहीं चाहिए कि ऐसा हो, रादर वी आर वांट टू दैट करेक्ट दैट आल्सो. बट टुडे वी आर टू सी कि और ज्यादा आगे वो लोग बढ़े नहीं एंड और ज्यादा एनक्रोचमेंट वो करें नहीं. तो फॉर दैट टू प्रिवेंट दैट एनक्रोचमेंट वी हैव टू यूनाइटेडली स्टैंड एंड स्टॉप द थिंग हियर, एंड देन वी कैन सी. जैसे अभी वो अपने को बोलने का तो चाइना हैज टेकन ओवर, पाकिस्तान हैज टेकन ओवर आवर लैंड. At least we see that they don't take more land from us, and then we'll see what to do next. So for this meeting is a very crucial meeting, and the understanding between us all should be very crucial, and we should not get scared of those people. Like one of the member told, तुमको मांगता है तो MPA में डाल के देखो क्या होता है. No, but they are not our enemy. They are our brothers. They are doing their work as they want to do, but they are our brothers, and we expect they do their best thing, and we also want to do. But what we want is that we are to our respective pathy. That is our only say, and which is by law correct. But now what has happened that all the authorities, leaders who are sitting up, they have their different agenda behind this, and they are now getting what we say adulterated, and that's why they are doing this all mixopathy, khichdi type of thing. And this is what is not allowed. Actually, we should have a pure practice, and that is what is like it should be like pure gold. If you are an homeopath, you do your pure practice, and we support that. But if you are a homeopath and you start writing Ayurveda, or you start writing other, that is not right. And that's why our fight is not against homeopathy doctor or allopathy, but it is against our parent who is giving them permission, parent who is giving them lollipop. Why they are giving that lollipop? Just because they want to overcome that short givings. What is that short givings? Government cannot cope up with all the increasing population. Government cannot cope up with whatever is going on. So there's shortage of doctors, which they should have predicted from before, and they should have started having more medical college, more doctors. But now what they are doing, they are trying to find out shortcuts, and for that they are giving a short course, and they want to make the doctor, and they want that they should practice like all who have so hard and so much worked hard and become doctor. So this is what is not allowed, and for that we have to do some different things. So I have some slides which I have. So I think I'll just share in quickly in 1 minute, 2 minutes, and then we'll have interaction with each other, how to go about and what to do. The letter which was read, but I think some members have joined lately, but they will not miss that letter because that letter is given on IMA.
Posted in official group.
And I had requested also that please go through that before joining this. And still, I have the points in front of me. I'll just enumerate that. But before that, I'll just have that some slide share is there. That slide share we are going to do. So slide share just for 1 minute, you just see the slide share. It has all the things what was there in WhatsApp group also. Skill to heal. There should not be any mixopathy. They should have good skill for healing. So we have to make people aware next that it should be wisely. to save the general public. Otherwise, there will be lots of complication, lots of like I have in this area also. If you see, I have been handling when it comes to mixopathy. I have that type of doctor. What they do, they also do. Like any repair can be done at local gadiwala also, but and it can be done in authorized center also. But when it is done at local place, there it is not properly done, and many times we have to face more problems for that. This is human body next, so we have to see that. We condemn this mixopathy and combined type of treatment. Everybody must follow their own pathy. This is the message from this. Next. Okay, next. This is a life so short to craft, so long to learn. Hypocrite. Next, let's see. Basically, this is all is about mixopathy. Next, I just want to share the slides which were there. Next. This is what we are expecting to do, that everybody must have this. Like Dr. Jitendra Patil, he changed his Facebook and WhatsApp status, and then he has put this status. Similarly, I think everybody should just go, and we have given the message how to change that, and they can change their Facebook status, they can change their WhatsApp status, and even for WhatsApp setting, and also in they can put in setup. Next. Our mission in healthcare is just to that modern medicine, we have to save from this mixopathy, our medicine. Next. Okay. So this is some pratikya letter they have come. This is on 2nd. It starts from 2nd day, 2nd of December in Delhi. But it is going on continuously. We are pledging that we should not allow mixopathy. Next. No apathy. Say no to mixopathy. Next. Okay. Next. Okay. So this is some shareware there. I thought, okay, let us have some slide presentation. That's why we had made this, and now we can put the letter on there. So this letter is there. Basic intention, if you see this letter, everybody can read this letter. In there, we have to approach at different level. One is public level, we have to approach. We have to approach at our organizational level, like all doctors of our allopathy. And we have to approach at government level and medical college level to sensitize people. And how can we do that? We have different ways of doing, like we can go on Facebook or WhatsApp, and then from there, or like how rightly madam has written a very nice letter in newspaper, and that was in Marathi. So I was amazed to see that. I think like how I have taken assistant of Asta. I think madam has also taken some assistant, but that was a very nice letter you have written. That we condemn this thought of mixopathy. We want that it should be a pure practice, and definitely we can put some clippings on YouTube or Facebook or different groups if we have. Similarly, we can have some placards which we can put in our OPD. That doesn't mean that some allopathy person is practicing and we can jao or bolo or uska tum ban karo ye. We are not lawmakers. We are not doing anything. We are here to request government to withdraw the notification. That's why we have to see, and for that we are doing two things. We will be doing two things definitely. Second is demonstration on 8 under my guidance of our president, Dr. Shobha Sankhe, that she told from 12 to 2 afternoon. We are less than 20 doctors meet, and we will have demonstration at different places in Palghar and Boisar, because this is our area, Palghar, Boisar there, and this is a central area. This our IMA branch in Palghar district. There are 6 IMA branches, right, in Dhanu, Vasai, Virar, Nalasopara, Wada, and this Palghar. So 5 to 6 IMA branches are there, but our IMA branch, Boisar, is a central branch, and we have the authorities like collector and all people over here, DHO, collector, civil surgeon, and they should have this message that what we are only sensitized, and we will be sensitizing people, and we are strongly objecting for the mixopathy. We want that pure allopathy should be there, and that's why we will be doing some demonstration over here, and definitely on 11th. I don't know about, I will not go to other branches, but we definitely move around this area, and we humbly request all हाथ जोड़ के आप सबको विनंती है कि सुबह 6 से शाम को 6 बजे तक वो दिन के लिए अपना प्रैक्टिस को थोड़ा सा कर्टेल करके यू कैन पोस्टपोन देम, कॉल देम इन द इवनिंग टाइम, or you can give some other date, and definitely we have to keep close our consulting or this, and we have to show our solidarity. This is our parent body, and parent body, they are for whom they are working for us, they are working for the coming students. Internet acha, okay, they are working for future students who are going to come. So even medical college is there in our area, Vedant Medical College. So I had gone there, I approached their leader, and they were so happy. They had given me a message which I had shared in our official group. They say, doctor, you are doing so much for us, we are so much obliged for you. So I told, okay, this is our organization, our president and our all committee member who are doing for us, and we all are continuously with you, and your support is required. They told it is 100% support. Vedant College, they have more than 400 students with them, first year and third year. Second year was not there because 1 year gap was there. So our college students are there with us. We have to approach now medical medical officers, MAGMO or FOMA and all different things that we will be doing. We have to go to different groups and we have to sensitize this. I don't know how much effective it will be, but मेरी तरफ से मैं तो काम करूंगा. और आपसे भी यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि आपको जो भी दिया है एज एन IMA पेरेंट बॉडी, यू डू. सम पीपल टोल्ड कि भाई वो तो उनका पॉलिटिक्स ऊपर लेवल का चलता है, इधर नहीं ऐसा होएगा. आज वो लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं, कल ऐसा बोले थे कि कल क्या किया था तो आज ऐसा. तो एटलीस्ट आज तो जागे हो कि हम लोग आज देखेंगे कि अपने पैथी को अपन कंजर्व करके रखे. एंड बेसिक इंटेंशन what you understand is the most important crux of this is, if you see from outside India, like from the global level, for other countries, they see that the Indian medical system of allopathy, whatever we are doing, is the best. If they want, they follow us, and this is what we have to keep our standard and not to dilute our standard by mixing this. Tomorrow we will not be standing anywhere. That's why it's a humble request. I've taken lots of time, but now I want that other senior members should also come out with their opinion and their points to discuss, and then we can have interaction. I think unmute everybody.
Everyone can unmute themselves.
Everybody is now unmuted from the host side. If they want to speak, they can unmute on their mobile, their phone, and then they can speak. Anybody wants to speak, they can raise their hand or start speaking, please.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Jitendra here. Hello, Chavan sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
We are here.
Sankesh, yeah. Sir, my suggestion would be that see, MPA people are not our enemy. That is okay. They are our good friends. So why don't we have a symbiotic relationship then rather than a host-parasite relationship? What if we tell them that whatever this is being done, that all Ayush people are going to perform surgeries, which is a skillful job and a specialty job. And when we have worked all so hard for almost 10 years, 12 years, and after that we are getting this skill and we are providing better healthcare to people. So then, and if these people without getting their basics rightly trying to do the specialty work, that is not acceptable and that is not good. So why don't we take Ayush people in confidence and then ask them also to give the suggestion that they also don't like. And this way, I think if they also give these suggestions to the government, then that will become a much better protest.
Okay, I will give the answer, and then I will request everybody that they should be short and precise so that more people can speak. For that, I had approached them and I talked with some of the leader of them, and they told, they give me answer, what you are doing is right, we understand and we really appreciate. And second thing they told me, like how you are following your parent body, whatever our parent body will tell, we are trying to follow. If you take demonstration, we will not object that. But if our parent body tells us that if we want to take demonstration, then I told we will also not object that if you feel so. But we are at the end of the day, in the evening, we are sitting in the one house and eating together. So we are not having enmity amongst ourselves, and we have to follow the parent body, what our parents are telling. And that's why this is the this has been communicated with the leaders, and that has been done. Anybody else? डॉक्टर सूर्यकांत,
उन्होंने जो मेल,
अच्छा सुभाष,
हाँ, जो IMA के जो हेडक्वार्टर्स ने बोला है कि ईमेल भेजो सबको, तो ईमेल वो अच्छा पॉइंट्स है, and all of us should do that. And second, we should unitedly उस दिन 11 को सबको बंद करना ही है, एवरीबडी हैज टू डू इट। और डेंटिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को भी साथ में लगेगा तो इम्पैक्ट काफी अच्छा आएगा, बिकॉज डॉक्टर्स में बाकी डॉक्टर्स तो चालू रहेंगे जैसे बाकी के पैथिक है, तो इतना शायद इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा, लेकिन इफ डेंटिस्ट आल्सो जॉइन अस इट विल हैव गुड इम्पैक्ट, बट ऑल ऑफ अस शुड डेफिनेटली क्लोज इट डाउन।
They are going to join.
यस,
गुरुकर सरांना बोलना करायचंय.
I'll answer this. Madam Shobha Sankhe voice is humming, so you can take one of the thing. We have the Dentist Association. Okay, madam, you want to speak something?
No. I just said I have spoken to dentists
Yeah.
and they have agreed.
Yeah.
yes, they
Madam
should join
Shobha
it.
Sankhe has we have spoken to all the dentists from Boisar, and I spoke with all the dentists from Palghar, and they are 100% support with us. They have told, and they will be supporting us whatever is there. Second thing about closure, we have already communicated to close that. Anybody else?
और जस्ट एक सब लोग बंद कर रहे हैं कि नहीं देखने के लिए जस्ट
हाँ,
कोई
डॉक्टर
सीनियर
सूर्यकांत
लोग
सर
एक राउंड मारेंगे और थोड़ा देख भी लेंगे कि सो दैट एवरीबॉडी इज आल्सो वार्न कि भाई इनको चालू नहीं रखना है, एवरीबॉडी हैज टू क्लोज डाउन.
Yeah, next
We
is
have to
Dr.
be
Suryakant
united.
Sankhe. Before that, I want to tell you that Palghar area, I am going to visit Boisar area. I will appoint somebody.
Yes, we will do that.
Dr.
We will do
Shobha
that.
Sankhe, you take over that you have to visit. Okay, Dr. Suryakant Sankhe, please go ahead.
दो तीन जन कोई तो देख लेंगे.
Good evening, everybody. I think nice
Good evening.
discussion is going on. At least members are responding. And those who are not attended, I think they are missing an
इको आ रहा
important
है,
meeting.
इको आ रहा है.
And I think it is a duty of each one of us that we should give them the feedback. Today morning, I have spoken to some deans of medical colleges. Then I have spoken to the ex-director of Maharashtra MHUC, Maharashtra Health University also. So and I have put one message in our Gozumeg and KM Hospital group. And I have requested all the senior, like Dr. Abhinash Supe, that it is a high time that our seniors should come out and speak in favor of IMA. And I have asked them to give their opinion. They should write down articles in newspaper. They should come on social media, because their opinion and their suggestion really matters to the public also and to the policymakers. And I think, as Jitendra has pointed out, Dr. Jitendra, that see, basically we should understand this is a fight against government, not against any pathi. And
Right.
we have suggest we have to register our dissatisfaction with the authorities. Like at present, we have to give our dissatisfaction or our votes to the Niti Aayog or CCIM or to the NCM. So because we cannot talk to the local branches or some XYZ doctors, because that will not solve the problems. It actually will create problems at personal level. So it is better to give our opinions and whatever suggestion through our IMA headquarter to the national body, but that will be effective. And whatever suggestions I think I have given by our leaders, we should follow. And another thing is, I think I will request all members, they should read about what is CCIM, what is NMC, what is Niti Aayog, because see, I think many of our doctors are not knowing what exactly these bodies are and what are their functions and what are their authoritative limits, where they can suggest whether what type of educational curriculum implementation. These are different bodies are given a big role. So many of our doctors are not knowing this. So unless and until we know the intricacies of what is CCIM, what is Ayush, what is allopathy, what are our rights, what are the rights of National Medical Council or National Medical Commission, because see, each one has got a specific role. That is, I think, for your knowledge, I think we all should read that, because everything is available on net. And if you go through this, then you will realize what are the plans and policies of our government, or for that matter, what are the plans and policies of our Niti Aayog. Until and unless you know that, you will not realize how serious this can become in the future. So my request, first request is read about all this, and we should be aware what are our rights and how to fight. Then I have spoken with our IMA branch secretary, Mr. Dr.
Pankaj.
Bandarkar.
Yeah, Bandarkar. So I said that when we fight such type of problems,
तुला नाही.
we should have first how the Ayush doctor or Ayurvedic doctors are functioning, means educational, how they get education about anatomy, physiology, surgery, how their postgraduate hospitals are working, teaching hospitals, what type of course is given to the postgraduate students. Because unless and until we know that, I think our IMA headquarters should do a survey. They should come out with proper evidences, like that evidences can be available on right to information. So we would ask that, suppose we know, say, any particular medical, Ayurvedic medical college, what type of education is given, who are the faculty member, how the students are trained. And we should have statistical data within 1 month or 2 months, because I think our IMA headquarters will have to go in a Supreme Court or High Court, Supreme Court, because this will not be sought out at local level, or for that matter, any branch level also, because it has become a law in our Lok Sabha. So whatever is passed in a Lok Sabha, it is not so easy to squash by just giving representation or dharna. Yes, we can prepare we can prepare the atmosphere for that. We are all against it, but ultimately we will have to fight legal battle, and for legal battle we all should have, especially our leaders at national and state level, they should have at least information regarding how they are going to train them. Until now, because this has passed in 2016, how they have trained is all surgical branches of Ayurveda. See, Mumbai people can go to the Poddar Medical College and see how many operations are done, how their postgraduate students are trained. Dr. Ohol is from Nashik. He can go to the Ayurvedic colleges in Nashik and just get the idea how the Nashik Ayurvedic medical colleges are teaching their postgraduate. Or you see, we should know firsthand what information is available. See, we are just trying to throw the arrows in the dark. So that will not work at the national level or when we go to the court. So we have to have a proper, so I have suggested this to Pankaj Bandarkar and Dr. Rajendra, also you keep this in mind, because they are going to have a meeting today evening or tomorrow. So he said that I will raise this issue and we'll see. And another suggestion is that 100% allopathic doctors, 100%, they should be member of IMA. Unless and until they become member of IMA, nothing will be achieved. See, there are many members who say that why we should become IMA member, what benefits. See, benefits and all things should be kept aside. But if you want your body to be strong, all allopathic doctors should become IMA member. That should be mandatory. You can say voluntarily compulsory. If you want to say that way, you can. See, now also hardly 40 to 45% allopathic doctors are member of IMA. So 50% of members, we don't have members from our own allopathy. So these are few suggestions because the questions are arising because of this band. So this is my suggestion, and I think we all, and whatever way we can show our solidarity with our local branch, our state branch, our at the national level, they should be done. And I think there will be difference of opinion in each and every branches. Our members will have in houses also, when there are husband-wife doctors, they will have their difference of opinion, and we should always respect, and everyone has right to opine. We cannot ridicule someone that why you opine like that. I think through the opinions and discussion only, we can come to a conclusion and we can be unanimous in our decision. So that is what I feel. It is my suggestions. And I think whatever you people are doing, Dr. Rajendra, Dr. Shobha, Dr. Mane, Dr. Abhinit, they are doing a lot of work. And I think it is a difficult task for them also. And my humble request to all members, at least on 11th, you close your clinic from morning 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Subsequently, it is your choice whether to start or not to start. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Suryakant Sankhe. I'll just say a few words. Like it is almost 47 minutes we have started, and about after 1 hour, this meeting may close spontaneously, but then it may restart. First thing. Second thing, very nice suggestion. I request Dr. Suryakant Sankhe, if you get some good things, because we cannot go and see full Niti Aayog or full other different things. So if you have some important points, you can post on IMA official or post us so that which can be helpful to other people. We will see to it. Very nice suggestion given that we have to close everybody. Third thing, you very importantly told that all the members should become IMA members who are allopathy, because presently there are about 65 to 70,000 allopathy doctors, and out of that only 40,000 are IMA members. Next, other 35-40,000 members, they should come forward and they should become, and our members should try to motivate and have membership drive, because that is going to make us more strong. This is a very nice suggestion given, well taken by us all, and definitely we will try to follow. I request somebody else to come and give some suggestion. They have to unmute yourself and then give the suggestion. Thank you. Dr. Ratnakar, unmute yourself.
हाँ sir.
बोलिए.
So as per Dr. Sankhe sir said, then we will have a meeting and we will discuss what are our rights and what are the क्या बोलते हैं उसको, राइट्स क्या है और अपने ये हक क्या है, वो सब करके हम लोग वापस मांगते हैं. तो एक डिस्कशन करके ऐसा ही आप एक मीटिंग अरेंज कर सकते हैं, और जो जिसने पढ़ा है, जितना पढ़ा है, that we can discuss.
चलेगा. Sir, anybody has raised their hand, can unmute that. Dr. Bhaskar, over.
Yeah.
Unmute yourself.
Hello.
Sir.
Hello. My suggestion is that from today onwards, doctors, the hospital owners and the nursing home owners, they should not appoint the Ayush doctors in their hospitals or nursing home. It should be started from today onwards only.
But that way, many of the corporate hospitals also will not function. Almost in Bombay, almost 70 to 80% doctors in Bombay ICUs also are all Ayush doctors.
But
तो problem है ना.
Very nice suggestion, but should I answer this? According to me,
at least in our area, we can start this.
Very nice suggestion, sir. But like how then you will tomorrow tell that this nurses should also not function, because they may also take over. Because what we keep them, or what nursing home owners keep them, they are kept as an assistant. They are kept as an like some ward boy hai, that way. They are not kept as an writing prescription, or they are not given as a boss. What government is trying to do, and today's point of agenda is not that. Our point of agenda is government should not allow that. This is what if they do and practice, then that is a wrong thing. And government is giving stamp on that. That stamp we should not give. That is our understanding today, that we should not give them permission to do this, because otherwise many people are saying, and many people can write anything. But we are not telling that कि आप तुम boss हो गया तो मेरे कुर्सी पे बैठो और अभी तुम prescription लिखो. No, they are an assistant like a nurse or a IABI or ward boy. That assistant, like it is in ICU or different places, it is everywhere, it is there. And it is, they have been given that post of assistant or CMO, RMO type. They have not been qualified as a doctor writing prescription. What government is telling them, अच्छा अभी तुम भी लिखो और अभी तुम भी operation करो. That is what is not allowed, and for that we have met here. Anything? Anybody else? Right, sir? Over, sir.
Okay.
Anybody else?
Yes.
I want to suggest that I think discussion is going now little bit haywire. I think we can write down the suggestions of our doctors, and then we can second meeting have a discussion. And next webinar we can have where we can call in some national, state level speaker on this subject, and who can guide us, or he can give us a deep knowledge about this, and we can have interactive session with them also. Like we can call ex-dean of the KM Hospital, Sion Hospital, or those who are working in TI special social workers, like that. So interactive. So next time we can do that. And whatever suggestions today given by our member, I think you can jot it down, and the minutes of this webinar, this meeting can be, because there is no point discussion on this platform at present. It is just a, we cannot give solution at the immediately. So just take down the points, whatever whosoever has suggested. And I think our senior doctor, Dr. Hemraj is also here. He can also suggest whatever he wants to say.
Yes, I have got one suggestion. Actually, just keeping our clinics closed is not going to serve the purpose. The people, our patients should come to know. They should be made aware about our motive. So we should have good posters or something, banners in front of each and every OPD. So if our local branch can prepare uniform posters which can be put on this thing, so it will make awareness. That's the thing. Otherwise, people won't come to know why we have kept our clinic closed.
So that way we will be indirectly fighting with the Ayush people.
Just a
That's
minute,
my
I have raised
suggestion.
my hand.
Yeah.
And I have sent already all these posters, and I had requested everyone to go through the official group. And you can even take a simple printout from your local shop and put for a week. That is enough, because again, getting these posters done and then distributing it becomes a big task.
Right.
It is better you take it on your WhatsApp, take a printout on your home printer or in the shop and put it up outside your, and just now you were, I don't know whether you were
Send the
there,
poster
I had said
on
this,
WhatsApp.
that these posters should be put at the beginning of the meeting only. I had suggested this.
Right. I
Yes,
was not there.
rightly, as you told, we had to put that posters. We showed the poster before the meeting, and the
It
point
was decided.
Dr. Suryakant Sanke, Subhash Sanke, Dr. Jitendra Patil, Dr. Ratnakar Mane, Dr. Bhaskar or Dr. Hemraj Karvir is well taken. We have noted down, and definitely whatever best we can do, we will do. Anybody else wants to come forward? Who is this? Kamath sir है क्या है? डॉक्टर कामत, अरे यार पीछे लाइट है, मालूम नहीं पड़ता है सर, आप लाइट के अगेंस्ट में बैठे हो आप सर, ऐसा आ जाओ, लाइट दिख, लाइट में आपका चेहरा नहीं दिखता है. Unmute yourself, sir.
You think, see, I'm against mixopathy, yes, true. But you think this will be passed in Vidhan Sabha or Rajya Sabha or whatever place? Is it easy?
Sir, we do our work.
Despite knowing everything, Niti Aayog and everything. See, there are many things which are done where we know everyone practices everything. There are a lot of people where gynac do surgical work, surgeons do gynac work. Even amongst ourselves also, we are facing a lot of problems. This is one aspect. Second thing, if you look at on a longer perspective, as a gynecologist, I can definitely say we are the country, we have a highest maternal mortality rate, almost 110 to 120, which is highest in the world as on today. Now, deep inside, whenever you read, whichever place, whichever local areas, local villages, still there are mothers dying at the time of delivery, children are lost, babies dying, or if they survive, sometimes we have a higher incidence of cerebral palsies with all problems. Now, with all this, suppose if we need to find out what exactly the Ayush people are doing, whether they're able to do routine surgeries or whatever properly or not. Suppose if the government gives them permission, they go to periphery, if this clause is put when they are doing mixopathies and start practicing. See, no one is willing to practice in rural India's deep inside. That's why we have a high rate of maternal mortality. I'm not saying I'm not for Ayush practicing operative work or doing cesarean sections. The only issue is with this longer perspective. So government is always, any government, whether it is local in Maharashtra or at the higher level also, they are under pressure. You have highest level of problems, complications. Then why not allow some doctors to practice deep inside? Now, with this perspective, suppose if someone is able to conduct deliveries properly, somebody is able to conduct cesarean sections properly inside. I'm not saying we need to find out what exactly they are doing in their local colleges, Poddar Medical College or whatever, whichever place. So, will government stop at this particular level? They have done so many things which favors other different pathies. So is it possible with such simple things, whatever they are doing, to stop government from not allowing these things to come forward? So this
More
is मेरा ये
important,
suggestion है. I'm not saying कि भाई ये गलत है, wrong है. Yes, I agree. Now,
Yeah.
even in Mumbai also, you see a lot of surgeries being done by surgeons, lot of surgery, gynec surgeries being done by surgeons, lot of orthopedic surgeries being done by general surgeons. So, ये किस हद तक this is going to be possible with fight from our side?
sir, important thing I'll just tell you.
Definitely, I will close down. I will do everything. So logically, if you see with all these issues, is it easy to get and strike a code with the government of at the center?
Sir, let me tell you, a very nice suggestion you are giving, sir, which we need to see at a broad perspective. But these political leaders, they don't understand our language. But that's
will
why we
never
have
understand
like
the
farmer,
issue.
like farmers of Delhi.
So
how
that is what the issue is. See, we are basic problem is what again same.
Yeah.
It's a population which is
Yeah, yeah.
creating problem, pressurizing everything. See, I have been vociferous and vocal about this because I learned all this from my seniors in 80s.
Yeah, yeah.
So you'll be surprised when I was doing registrar's post in Nair and other peripheral places.
Short,
that all my seniors used to tell.
Yeah.
So see,
Meeting
this
is about to
again related
finish.
to that.
2 meets are there. Maybe we may get disconnected. That's why I am interfering. But your suggestion is well taken. Very nice. It will. It is going to help us very much. And definitely, I think there are 2 other people who can speak. One is Dr. Smita Shinde is there. So, Dr. Smita Shinde, you had raised the hand. Please tell what you unmute yourself and tell.
I agree with Dr. Manohar Kamath that since the rules have already been made, it will be a tough fight against whatever we are achieving, trying to achieve the mixopathy, because government already has made up his mind. So it's very difficult and it will be very long way to struggle and achieve success. So we'll have to stay together and we'll have to give a very big fight, I think.
हारने का नहीं मैडम, जीतने का.
Yes, it is there.
करने का.
हारने का तो नहीं है सर, लेकिन ये भी सब बातें हैं कि government already it had decided that it will give. There are peripheral centers where they have started ANMs and all. They have started working as a looking patients and all that. They had brought that rule long time back, and now they're implementing. So this also rule. So to fight against it, we will have to stay together and fight back very strongly for this rule, I think.
President
And,
Madam, you don't have to raise the hand. You can speak anytime. You can unmute yourself and speak anytime. President Madam.
Hello, I agree with what Smita Shinde said. Government has already decided what it is going to do. But as she said, we have to stay united and we have to voice our opinion. Maybe if we are a majority, as you said, if all of our allopathic doctors become a part of IMA and we really pressurize them, they may take a note of it. Just one person standing up here and there doesn't help. But that unity comes only when we follow certain protocol. As he said, the parental organization which is giving some directives. So we need to follow that. I agree, it may not help. I agree by closing, it may not help. But then if we don't do this also, there is so much disharmony. We will never have any voting hope or anything to talk to the government. As it is in the health ministry, you tell me how many are allopathic doctors there, or for that matter, how many are medicos there. So these things are not going to help. And what she said clearly is right. Once government has taken decision, we cannot do anything. But at least if we stand united and if we show pressure on them, then only things can be done. And I feel for that reason, we have to be with our parent organization. And whenever they give some directives, you have to follow it. Just like we are saying for IMA, the other pathis also will have their bodies and they will follow what their body says. Individually, no one has any much thing to do.
Nice positive thought. We appreciate everybody, even Dr.
Should we conclude the meeting?
Dr. Manohar Kamath also. But lastly, I think there is Dr. Dinesh Patel with us, who is, I think, allopathy and maybe he is an IMA member. I would request him to talk forward. Dr. Dinesh Patel. Unmute yourself. Dr. Dinesh Patel, unmute yourself.
Yeah. My issue is regarding the posters. Whether the posters are meant for the doctors or for the general public.
Yeah, it is for everybody. It is for general public, for the doctors, and even for the non-allopathy people. It is for the en mass, general mass, everybody. That's why we have to put it on the WhatsApp. For President Madam wants to speak, you don't have to raise hand. You can speak anytime in between. Yes, you unmute yourself and speak, madam. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
I did it.
Ah.
One day I agree with Dr. Dinesh Patel what he said, but thing is, it is meant for us to put it outside. A common man, if he is well read, he will understand because it's there in the newspaper. But it has to be put for outsiders. That is the importance. Doctors do know it. There's nothing much to tell.
Yeah, I'm very happy. This is very helpful.
But common man will not understand different pathis. But those who are little intelligent, like they don't understand whether they are going to Ayurvedic doctor or they are going to allopathic doctor. They just blindly enter the dispensary and they show. They don't even know how qualified he is and how much money he is taking. This is common. But then for a common average man who is literate, who reads newspaper, I think it is a fair enough. And these posters are good enough to be taken out as a printout and to be put outside.
Yeah, so what we do is 8th ko we will have a demonstration. Second thing, we have two committee, executive committee, which we are going to form and make some members out of that. Third thing, we are going to keep close on 11th, which will be monitored by some doctor in Boisar and some doctor in Palghar. And fourth is what when we are keeping it close, we are putting going to put the posters outside, and not only that, in the clinic. If you can keep your sister or compounder to tell them what is the actual situation, and in the nursing home, our nurses or receptionist who is there, she will tell कि आज ये कारण के लिए बंद किया है क्योंकि जो दूसरे पैथी के लोगों को यहाँ पे दे रहे हैं, the explanation is there on the board. फिर भी आपको जानकारी के लिए ये है, तो इसके लिए आज सुबह शाम को 6 बजे तक नहीं, 6 बजे के बाद आओ या कल के लिए अपॉइंटमेंट ले लो. This is what has been decided, I think, in the meeting. Anything else, if I have missed, our president madam is always guiding me. वो continue phone पे मेरा hammering चलते रहता है, मैडम कि भाई ये करो वो करो, and I always try to follow her. और एक अच्छा मीटिंग हुआ है, तो any
मराठी में पोस्टर्स बनेगा तो और भी अच्छा रहेगा डॉक्टर चौहान. मराठी में पोस्टर्स बना के कॉमन मैन को समझेगा कि किस लिए बंद करते हो, तो और भी अच्छा इफेक्ट आ सकता है, so that common people know why we are closing.
वो भी हम लोग ने नोट कर दिया है, वो भी डालेंगे. I think Dr. Abhinit Patil was there, secretary. If he is there, he should have some word. Did he leave? I don't know. Is he seen over here? No, no. So I think he has left.
He has just left. I think. Yeah,
so I would request the Vice President Dr. Ratnakar Mane to, with the kind permission of President, to close the meeting. End the meeting.
Thank you.
Dr. Ratnakar Mane, unmute yourself. एक मिनट, unmute yourself, sir. Unmute yourself, sir. Dr. Mane, unmute yourself.
हाँ सर.
हाँ, please start.
अपने मेंबर्स को चाहिए बैनर्स वगैरह, तो हम लोग बोईसर में या पालघर में एक फ्लेक्स प्रिंटर को अपॉइंट कर सकते हैं. सो मेंबर विल गो देयर एंड टेक द फ्लेक्स.
अच्छा, वहाँ बैनर बना के रखे, whatever cost will be there will be borne by us, and let them take the banner, one banner per unit and one or two banner whatever, and but they have to go and take from there. We cannot go and circulate to each and every person.
Yes sir, yes sir.
That we can at least do that favor. That is nice suggestion. बैनर बैनर वाले क्या रखेंगे, फोन करने का तो बैनर रेडी रहेगा, तो बाद में लेके जा सकते हैं. बट दे शुड टेक अ डे बिफोर, एक दो दिन पहले लेके जाना चाहिए. तो 7 तारीख तक लेके जा सकते हैं मांगता है तो बैनर. और you can close the meeting, sir. Unmute all करो ना. Unmute all. Hello.
Dr. Mane, you can give the vote of thanks.
Yes. I thank all our past presidents and members, and special our president and the state coordinator for arranging this meeting. Once again, I thank all the members for attending this meeting.
Giving suggestions.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Good. Long live IMA.
Thank you. Long live IMA.
हाँ.
Long live IMA.
Bye. Bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
हरी बोल.